Hello again, it's Amanda Davis, a speech and language therapist and dyslexia specialist and director of Words First. So this video is about level 5 and level 6 of our Parents at Home Phonological Awareness program. So I will be doing both levels in this video. It's this level and level 6. Alright, so just a very quick recap. Phonological awareness is the conscious awareness of the sounds that make up our language, and it is vital that children have got a firm understanding of the sounds in our language in order that they can map those onto letters when they get into school. So level 5 is a pivotal point in the development of phonological awareness. So we spend a lot of time in therapy at this level. It is usually if a child is struggling in phonics or they're struggling to read and spell at the expected level, it is usually a problem or definitely a contributing difficulty at this level, at level 5 and level 6. And it's the phonemic level, so that is the level of individual sounds in words. We have gone all the way from level 1, which was an awareness of sounds in our environment, through level 2, which was just about the understanding of sentences, that within a sentence there are different words. Then we went into syllables, and that a word is made up of syllables, and then we went of course into syllables, and we did onset and rhyme, and we started talking about words that rhyme and words that don't. And now we're going further in, and we've got to that crux point where we are working with individual sounds in words. So parents, this program was designed for you to work at home with your child, and I just want to remind you that all the foundation skills do need to be intact and in place for success at this level. Now, this is the level at which we can see things going wrong. So if your child is struggling at this level, please do reach out and speak to a speech and language therapist, or your SENCO will be able to help you. But it is vital that we stay at this level for as long as the child needs this input. Alright, so what is level 5? We've got 3 parts to level 5. It is blending individual sounds, identifying the sounds in the words, and then of course segmenting. So you'll always find that blending is an easier skill because we give the sounds and the child has to blend them, put them together. So I have given a list in Appendix 12 of all of the vowel consonant and consonant vowel, and then CVC words, and the list goes on to quite complex words for level 6. Now, please remember when I talk about C and V, C is a consonant and V is a vowel. Now, the consonant sounds are pretty easy to do, but the vowel sounds, I don't want you to get confused by that. We're talking about the sound of the word and not the way that the word is spelt. So, for example, the word boot is a CVC word because oo in boot is a vowel sound. It's one sound, oo. The word raw, for example, would be consonant and a vowel. R-A-W is a consonant and a vowel because the or sound is a vowel sound. So even though it's got a W on the end, it would still be a vowel, a consonant and a vowel. So it's quite difficult at this stage to separate the visual from the sound. So really practice and make sure that you're confident at doing that before you work with your own child. And as I say, if you do need any help, rather just reach out. You can always check in with me, make sure that you've got it right, and then you can go ahead with confidence delivering this program. I also want to remind you that we work with pure sounds when we are doing our phonological awareness. So pure sounds are, if we do the letter M, it's going to be M and not M, and the letter S is going to be S and not S, and L is going to be L and not La. So it can get quite confusing if we add a sound to it. So La, for example, has got two sounds. It's a L and an A. And we really want to avoid that for children who are struggling with literacy. Okay, so you've got your list in Appendix 12 of all those words. I'm quickly going to flip the screen and I'm going to show you how we can manipulate blocks in order to get those. I've got some children who are waiting for me. Okay, all right, so here we go. Here are our blocks. I've got my Lego bricks over here, and I've just quickly made this, but you can use the train that we've given you in our pack. All right, so if we start with a vowel consonant such as in, we're going to go I, and then we're going to go n. It's got two sounds, in, I, n. And when we work in therapy, we spend a lot of time at this level, as I mentioned earlier, and we refine it more and we use color coding. But I'm not going to introduce you to that at this stage because it can get quite complicated. But just to let you know that in therapy we would be doing something similar, but we'll be using colors to identify and refine the sounds in terms of long vowels and short vowels as well. Okay, and then we've got a consonant and a vowel would be no. N, O, no. Okay, then we've got CVC would be cat, k, a, t. Three sounds, cat. I've also got the word boot, would be b, u, t, boot. Three sounds. I also have the word, let's have yacht, would be three sounds, y, o, t. Now the next stage of our intervention at Words First would be transferring the sounds into the way that they look on paper. And we've got a program called Better Speller that works on that. But we can't work on the Better Speller program if these foundation skills are not in place. So it is very important that these are all in place. So at level 5, you're going to be doing blending. So we're going to blend. I'm thinking of a word. It's a f, I, sh. What is it? It's a fish. Well done. And then you're going to identify sounds in consonant vowel consonant combinations. So I've got the word baby, b, a, or b, e. Sorry, that's a CVCV, b, a, b, e. And we're going to be talking about identifying the first sound and the middle sound and the last sound. So you will remember we introduced that concept at the beginning in level 2, I think it was. So obviously we are now building on that, identifying first, middle and last. Oh, do you girls have to be there?
Yes.
Okay. So we've got first, middle and last sound. So identifying words that have the same first sound, words that have the same last sound. So you can give 3 words such as baby, cat and ball, and which ones start with the same sound. Also for the end sound, you can do cat, fish and pot, and which ones end with the same sound. Obviously that is a little bit more complex, so just make sure that you scaffold and support your child in order to get those ones right. Then you're going to get your child to identify the sounds, and you can go back to the blocks for that. So I'm going to give you a word. It is in. What are the sounds in in? I, n. It's 2 blocks. You push 2 blocks into the train. And then you can go all the way down the list into consonant, consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant. So that kind of word would be clip. Oh gosh, really messy in here, girls.
Sorry.
Yeah. Okay. So let's say clamp. So k, l, a, m, p. Consonant, consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant. And that is going to be level 5. When you get to the end of that and you're able to identify all the sounds in a word such as clamp, consonant, consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant, you will be ready for level 6. And level 6 is the fun, the really fun stage, and we spend a lot of work on level 6 in our intervention sessions. So this is the manipulation of sounds, and you can have so much fun with this level. So the word clamp without the l is camp. Again, you would have your blocks. Oh, sorry, I'll just quickly transfer you. So you have the word clamp. Amy, do you want to do it actually? Okay. So you've got the word clamp.
Yeah.
Let's push the blocks in.
So what do I do here?
Okay, so push the sounds in. So k,
K,
l,
A,
p. Good. Okay, right. So let's take away the k. Yeah, what's left over?
lamp.
Well done. Excellent. So now your word is lamp. Let's take away the l and put in a r. What's left over?
Ramp.
Ramp. Excellent. So now your word is ramp. Let's take away the m. What's left over?
Wrap.
Wrap. Excellent. Okay, so now we'll take away the r. What's left over?
App.
Excellent. So let's just have app there. And now let's put in a k and a l. Do you make now?
Clap.
Very, very good. Well done, Amy. 10 stars for you, my love. So that's, at that level, yes, you can have a lot of fun, and you can make lots of different word combinations. So deleting sounds, putting sounds back in, playing around with different sounds. So that concludes level 5 and level 6. And actually that concludes the Parents at Home program. So I really hope that that has been useful for you, and that these YouTube videos have helped a little bit. Please remember, there are 2 rules with the program, and the 2 rules are, first of all, it's hierarchical, so make sure that every stage has been achieved before you move on to the next one. And the second one is to have fun. So please don't let any of this be stressful in any way. As I've mentioned in the previous videos, we want children to have a healthy and happy relationship with print, and that is the most important thing. So please don't make it into a stressful situation. Please don't make it into any stressful situation. It's all about fun, and if your child is struggling in any way, please reach out. You will have my details, and you can contact me, drop me an email, and I'll usually respond quite quickly, depending on these 2. Alright, so thank you so much for watching the videos, and as I say, I hope everybody is well and healthy out there, and I'm sure you're looking forward to getting back to school, but till then, stay safe. Bye bye.